Kailangan, baby.
No, we had such a great tour, and this is our second to the last show, so, aww.
You know, guys, as we come...
Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Napakasayang Dear Heart concert ni Sharon Cuneta at Gabby Concepcion sa Honolulu, Hawaii, kinakiligan ng kanilang mga tagahanga. Ang pagbabalik tambalan ni Sharon at Gabby sa kanilang Dear Heart concert sa Hawaii, ay naging isang masaya, puno ng biruan, at emosyonal na gabi na tumatak sa puso ng kanilang mga tagahanga. Ang event na ito ay nagsilbing time machine na nagbalik sa makasaysayang tambalang Sharon-Gabby. Puno ng mga kwento, kantahan, at biruan na hindi lang nagpasaya, kundi nagbigay daan din sa makukulay na alaala mula sa nakaraan.
This is our second to the last show, so, aww.
You know, guys, as we come to an end, kaya malapad you guys are witnessing the very last two shows of our tour. And we would really like to do another show. But, yeah, tour.
Yes,
And because, you know, I also have my commitments, and they have their commitments, and you have your commitments also. But we promise you, we will try our very best to do another concert so that we can come back.
Let's make this last forever na. Don't anymore fight with me. I'm sweet eh.
You know, wala namang ibang pwedeng gumawa nito kundi tayong dalawa. So let's do it for everybody. Life is short, guys. Life is short. You know, considering that the dinosaurs lived here for I don't know how many billions of years, and the Earth has been here for billions of years, but we only have less than 100 years. So guys,
I have mga 80 pa.
I plan to live more than 100 years, pero hindi ko na alam kung ano yung tsura ko na. Hindi ko na alam kung nandito pa tayo lahat, but at least, now that we're all together, we'd like to give this song to everybody.
You know what? When God put us together as a love team, I'm still the best thing that happened to you.
Alam mo, ang Gabby ako, pero di ko ako together. Pakita ka naman ako.
Malinis ba? Malinis.
Maganda pa rin, di ba?
I know, right? Joke. Lagi ka naman ba?
May marami namang times na maganda, but maraming times na masaya. So we're all together and that spells out happiness. So this song is for everybody. And what we're doing tonight is for everybody. And sincerely, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat for coming today.
We're very grateful to all of you. We want you to know we appreciate you with all of our hearts. And we love you very much. Shout out nation all over the world. We love you. We're so grateful.
This is for everybody.
This is really the two of us. Kaya na naman ganito eh.
Sa You know, the night, I wish it never came to an end, but we always...
Yeah, we have a time limit.
For every beginning, there is always an end.
Of course.
And we have a time limit here, hanggang 9:30 lang tayo. It's already 9:40.
Unlike in the Philippines, kahit buong gabi tayo, okay na. Pero dito po, we can't live without singing these songs.
Sana sa tagal natin nagsasama-sama, sana hindi nyo kami makalimutan kahit maputi na ang inyong buhay.
Maano siya, maganda. Oo. Labing na namin ha?
Ready?
Oo, nakita mo sila? Maganda siya. Oo.